Hello viewers, hello fans, welcome back to the GCE panel online. In today's presentation, we're looking at the solution of June 2023 Pure Math Statistics, paper 3, and the last question. We have already answered the previous 7 questions and we are now on the 8th. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you shortly. So guys, welcome once more back to the GCE panel online. In this presentation, we are looking at the solution of June 2023 Pure Math with Statistics paper 3 question 8. We have answered the previous 7 questions in the previous videos. If you have not watched them, please click on the link below where you're going to watch the remaining questions. If you are not subscribed, then you are not able to see this video. So you can only be watching this video right now if you are subscribed. So the question reads, that's question 8. The marks of 8 students in English and mathematics are shown in the table below. So we have English X and Maths Y. Calculate 2 decimal places. A, the person product moment correlation coefficient for this data. B, the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. And C, the least squares regression lines of X on Y and Y on X. You may use summation xy equals that, summation x squared equals that, summation y squared equals that. Let's tackle this question. But before that, a lot of effort has been put for us to have this beautiful video which you are watching. Please, even if you have subscribed, you can do better by sharing this video on WhatsApp, on Facebook, and on different platforms in which you find yourself. Why not even on TikTok? You're allowed to make shorts with our videos and share them. We are equally begging on you, if you are in need of these papers, you can click on the link below to download. If you want to do a donation, please contact us directly. We really need the donations. It will go a long way to help us, as well as membership. You can tell us that you want to be a member. You can click to be a member, and it's going to change the way things are being done in this platform. So we are waiting for all of that, and we hope that at the time of your exam, God will equally continue to bless you abundantly. Let's tackle this question and move on. If you need the solutions to these questions, contact us using the WhatsApp link below. Okay, so these are the scores for the English and Math, English X, Math Y. To find the person product moment correlation coefficients, there are 2 or 3 formulae. So let's look at this one. So let's first find SXX. Okay, so SXX, we are going to have, that is the variance for X. We have summation X squared minus summation X, all of that squared on N. Okay, we are using this data that has been given to us. We want to use this data that has been given to us to make it easier. So this is going to be equal to 27310 minus 448, all that squared on 8, because we have 8 sets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so our summation X squared is 2762. Okay, 2762. So I think summation X here gives us summation X. When you all square it, you have 27310, all of that. So we end up with 2222. Okay, then for Y, for the variance for Y, we have a Y squared minus summation Y, all that squared on N. So that's going to give us, for the Y squared here, according to the data, we have 29958 minus 472 squared. When we sum all the Y's, we have 472 squared, all that on 8. That's going to give us 2110. Okay, now we need some for xy. Okay, so for xy, we are going to have summation xy minus summation x summation y, all that on n. Our n is still 8. Summation xy given to the equation is 26.762 minus summation x summation y, that is 448 times 472, all this on 8. When we simplify that, we have 330. So from here now, our person product moment correlation coefficient is given as SXY, all that on the root of SXX SYY. Okay, so just put these values here and then we simplify, and this correlation is going to be equal to, note that for your person product moment correlation, the value should lie between -1 and +1. If you have any value outside this range, then there is an issue with your calculation. So we have a plus value which is plus 0.152 for the person product moment correlation coefficient. Now B, they want us to find the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient for this data. For Spearman, we are going to make a table like this and we rank the data. So this is English. These are the marks for English and these are the scores for maths. Okay? Now for English, we are going to rank the scores from the smallest to the biggest. Okay? For English, the smallest score is 35. The next one is 40, 43. After 43, we have a 50, then 58. Then we have number 6, 60, 76, and 86. Okay? Now we're actually going to do a ranking of what? The scores for maths. For maths, the smallest score is 1. It's 32. Okay, so the first position you have 32. Next, 40. Number 3 is 53. Number 4, 54. Number 5 is 65. Number 6, 72. Number 7 is 74. And number 8 is 82. Now we get the difference of the ranks. The rank for English and the rank for maths. So for this first column here, we have 4 minus 5, which is negative 1. You can take 5 minus 4, no problem, because you're going to square them. The next one is 5 minus 6, negative 1 again. 1 minus 4, which is negative 3. 8 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 1, which is 6. 3 minus 7, which is negative 4. 2 minus 2, which is 0. And 6 minus 3, which is 3. Now after having this difference, we square each of them. Negative 1 squared is 1, negative 1 squared is 1, negative 3 squared is 9, 0 squared is 0, 6 squared is 36, negative 4 squared is 16, 0 squared is 0, 3 squared is 6. From here now you can apply the formula to find the Spearman, okay? So our summation for d squared is equal to 72. Now from here, Spearman is equal to 6 times the summation of d squared, all that on n into n squared minus 1. Our n here is 8. Okay, so we're going to have 6 into 72, all this on 8 into 8 squared minus 1, which is giving us 0.857. Okay, so this is the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Now see, they want us to find the least squares regression lines of x on y and y on x. Okay, so here we need the value of b. The equation is modeled by y equals a plus bx, where b is equal to the product moment correlation coefficient times the square root of sxy on sxx. So here our b will be equal to 0.152 into 2110. Okay, all that on 2222. That gives us 0.15. Then a is equal to y bar minus b times x bar. Okay, so our y bar is the mean, right? So our y bar is equal to, we already had the mean or the average here. Okay, so for x bar you have a 56 and y bar 59. So we have 59 minus 0.15 times 56. That's giving us 50.6. Therefore, our line y equals ax plus b will be equal to 50.6 plus 0.15x. Okay. Then, for the equation where we have x now to be equal to c plus dy, let's call it x equals c plus dy. In this case now, we are going to have our d to be equal to 33 on 2110, just like we saw previously. Yeah, so our d is going to be equal to that. Then, for us to have the value of a, we are going to have a is equal to x bar minus b y bar, in this case d, because I said d here, minus dy bar. So we have 56, which is the average here, minus 0.16 times what? 0.59. That gives us 46.56. And from here, we can write x equals 46.56 plus 0.16y. Guys, thank you so much. This is not the end, because we will now be looking at the next set, which is June 2022, questions 1 to 8, Pure Math Statistics paper 3. Equally, Watch Pure Maths Statistics Paper 2 for 2023, questions 1 to 10, which is already available online. And we currently have a lot for economics, history, geography, maths, chemistry, physics, and so on, which you can get this material online. But we depend on your subscriptions to know if you are interested in what we are doing or not. If you are not interested, then there's no need for us to be uploading any content. Please share our work, and if you have any donations, you can send to us directly. Thank you so much. The next is paper 2, June 2023, questions 1 to 10. Love you, ciao, and God bless you. Bye bye.